we know that technological disruption is changing all industries around the world. And so what do you see that are the changes brought up by technology, or the main changes brought up by technology now in the insurance industry? So I'm thinking of first, new risks brought by technology, and second, changes in the business model of insurance, changes in the insurance industry brought up by the technology as well. How do you see that?
I mean, the number one, I would say the basic case is you can do the same things more efficient. Yeah. So you are able to shorten the processes, to automate the processes, to pre-fill things because you're using data and technology. You have let's say, disintermediate certain parts like direct insurance and so on. You can be faster in claims management because so the basic thing is like you can do the same things but faster, cheaper, so and then you can give it back to the customer and have better customer service and stuff like that. Yeah. You can also be more customer focused. Yeah. Because if I may, because I wanted to share a picture sometimes to show you one picture that represents it. You as an insurance, I mean, for the experience of the customers, very often you bring the complexity of the insurance of the company to the customers. So the customer has to type the data. You basically all the complexity is the customer. Yeah. So on the one hand, the one extreme is like, I don't know, one-click buying on Amazon or some service where you can check in and Lufthansa or other airlines is very easy. So the company keeps all the complexity inside. So the picture is basically like the good one is like an iceberg where you have only the 1/9 of the iceberg is the work of the customer, and the rest is under the water where the company does it for you by using data, by using automated process whatsoever. And sometimes the traditional companies is kind of like the inverted kind of iceberg where you have the 8/9 of the iceberg you ask the customer to repeat it, to come again, to work with the process where the company basically internally doesn't know the customer because after 2 weeks or whatsoever. So this is, I think, something that is very helpful, the technology and data, to recognize the customer, to be proactive, to do cross-selling, to do a better service. So this is something that definitely is helping. On the next level, you could say, okay, I can be, especially in our case, you can be better in predicting risks. So you don't wait until the risk happens, but you, for example, we have in Mexico, we have the mobile inspectors. When an accident happens, we send the person to the accident to capture the data, help the customer, and so on. And our aim is to be faster than the pizza. So usually on average we are in 20 minutes we are there. That doesn't matter where it is, yeah. And we also, because we have lots of data. And this is an insurance company sends a person there. Yeah. Yes. This is our employee. So because we have lots of data, we can almost predict that in this area there will be 5 accidents probably on Friday evening. Okay. So we keep these people around because it just happens. Like we know that it happens. Yeah. So you can be proactive, and definitely in the area of fraud, because I mean, typically you have like 2, 3, 4, 5% of fraud that we have to pay without knowing who it is. So we use lots of AI and data to identify the fraudulent cases, where there's organized crime and stuff. So you start with automation efficiency, then you can be more proactive. You can provide different services. You can be, you better understand the client because you use the data, and this is like endless.